friends, it's Miss Allison from the Greater Valley YMCA. How are you? Today we are going to learn about water bottle bowling, and we're going to make our own bowling sets out of water bottles that we could get out of our recycle bucket. So what you're going to need for this are 10 water bottles, and you're going to rinse them, make sure there's no water in them, and cut the labels off. And then you're going to need to add a little bit of water as a counterweight to the bottom, or they're too easy to knock over. How much water you put in is relative to the size of the ball that you're going to be knocking the pins down with. So I started with halfway, and I couldn't even knock it down with this ball, so I had to keep letting it out. So what I did was I then added a little bit of food coloring to each one to make them interesting, because I had to make 10 of them. If you don't have food coloring, you can just use regular water. So how you set them up is you set the row up first with 4. So you would put 4 bottles first, and then you would put 3 bottles in front of that, and then you would put 2 bottles in front of that, and then 1. And it's kind of counting backwards from 4, 3, 2, 1, and it made a triangle shape with the point in the front. And the object is to roll your ball and try and hit the bottles and knock them down. Obviously, you'd like to try to hit this one first because it would knock all the rest down. And that would be called a strike. That probably isn't what I'm going to be able to do. So you try to stand back a little bit. You take your ball and you roll it towards. Wow, I actually got all of them but 3 this time. But it's going to be really hard for me to knock the 3 down because they're really far spread apart. So you get 2 turns. You leave the ones down that you knocked the first time, and you get to roll again. So you try to aim for the most that you can get. So what I'm going to try to do is roll over here, and I got 2 more, so but I only have 1 left standing up. So that's not bad. 1 out of 10. So if you're using the bowling game with other people, it would be somebody else's turn after you do it 2 times. But then it will be your turn again. Since I'm playing by myself, I get to have another turn right away. So I set up my 4. Now I'm setting up my 3. Then my 2, and then my 1 in my triangle shape with the point facing the front. And I'm going to try again. So, hopefully I'll be lucky this time also. Not as lucky as I only got 3. So, I would get to roll again and see how many of those I knocked down, and then it would be somebody else's turn. To make the game interesting, if you want to change it up a little bit, what you could do is set your pins up, which is not the most fun part of the game. Okay, so I've got my triangle going, okay? And I'm going to try to create a ramp that I can roll the ball down that will help me roll it into my pins and knock them down. So I'm going to use this board in my laundry basket and try to make a ramp. Not sure if this will work or not, but we'll try. So now instead of rolling it, I just put it on the ramp, and that will create motion in a downward roll. So let's see what happens. Actually, that didn't do too badly, did it? So if I did this again, I would again aim my ramp where I wanted to hit, knock the cans or the bottles down again. So that is our water bottle bowling game that I created. But I wanted to sing a song with you. This is an Earth Day song for our Earth Week. It's called This Old Earth, and maybe you could try to sing it with me. It goes to the tune of This Old Man. Okay, and it goes. This old earth needs our help to stay fresh and clean and green, with a pick it up and pitch it in. throw it in the can. This old earth will be clean again. So it's a short little song, but it's a cute little song. And then I also wanted to read another poem to you that some friends in an elementary school class wrote and that I found. It's called Our Earth. The earth is ours to enjoy for every little girl and boy, but we must always be aware that its beauty we must share with all the children yet to come who want to laugh and play and run around the trees and in the fields. So we must keep our planet free from messy trash and debris, with air that's clean, fresh, and clear for all to breathe from year to year. We must never, ever abuse our sweet earth that's ours to use. Thank you for joining me, and I had a lot of fun bowling with you. Thank you.